Welcome to Wiese, your partner for professional custom solutions for product-compliant as well as process-compliant conveyance of your bulk materials. For over 60 years, we have undertaken a broad array of tasks from various industries and successfully risen to the challenge each time. We provide conveyor solutions for sensitive foodstuffs, chemical substances and raw building materials. Through our network of international business and service partners, we are pleased to be able to provide these services worldwide, regardless of your location. Our number one goal is customer satisfaction. To this end, Wiese's customer consultants, design, manufacturing and service teams work closely together. This enables Wiese the possibility to offer you component technology with serial character to create an operation-ready design precisely tailored to your individual requirements. In order to consistently meet the requirements and wishes of our customers, we work in parallel on innovative production technologies while constantly further developing our Wiese products and services. This applies particularly to the product at the core of any conveyance system, the Wiese rubber chain. The Wiese rubber chain is available in any length, vulcanized as a continuous loop or assembled with link connectors. Using original Wiese rubber chains, no lubricants are required, which might otherwise contaminate the goods being conveyed. Rubber chains and buckets are available in food-grade quality. As a result of our own production line, we are able to guarantee the availability of all necessary replacement parts for many years to come. At the completion of any production process, a unique Wiese continuous bucket conveyor or pendulum bucket conveyor is created, reliably fulfilling the customer's requirements. Wiese continuous bucket conveyors and pendulum bucket conveyors. Simple, reliable, effective.